Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance options trading. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price by a certain date. They are powerful tools for speculating on price direction or hedging existing positions. Binance provides a user-friendly platform to access these derivatives, allowing you to engage with the market in new ways. To begin, make sure your Binance account has completed identity verification. Next, you will need to transfer funds into your dedicated options wallet. This usually involves stablecoins like USD or BUSD. Take some time to explore the options trading interface, understanding where to find different contract types and their expiry dates. This preparation is crucial for a smooth trading experience. When placing your first trade, carefully select an options contract that aligns with your market prediction and preferred expiry. If you anticipate a price increase, consider buying a call option. For a price decrease, a put option is suitable. Always use appropriate order types, like a limit order, to manage your entry and exit points effectively. Beyond basic calls and puts, Binance options allow for more complex strategies, such as spreads, which can help manage risk and refine your profit potential. Always prioritize risk management by setting clear stop-loss levels for your trades. Continuous learning about market trends and options theory is vital for long-term success in this dynamic trading environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.